Springtime means pool season, and what a better place to talk about pools than inside a pool without water.
That's right. We're diving into this one-of-a-kind San Juan pool with Skip Bedell. Now, Skip, you brought some of these San Juan pools by a couple of years ago.
I have,
But
yeah.
this is new because they've actually used a 3D printer, a gigantic one,
They have.
to make it.
It's amazing. The new technology, guys, is like, normally they would build the molds that make these fiberglass pools out of wood and plastic and rubber, and it takes months to make them. They can now print any size pool like you have right here in a matter of days, and they 3D print it. The best part about it is it's completely recyclable, so when they're done, they can put it through a shredder and reuse those plastic pellets. So these guys are like the innovators. You know, they've been in business 65 years. They're a family business here in America, and all their pools are made right here in the country.
So this is jacuzzi. This
It
is
is,
where
yeah.
you can, let me make sure.
This
I'm
is the
doing
Baja Beach.
This is
Watch
where you
this.
lay out.
This is the 8-person.
Come here. I'm sorry.
Hot tub.
You turned your back on
Watch
I'm
this.
just
Hold on
showing
a
people
second.
what you can do.
You got the beach entry walk-in,
This is
so you
amazing.
can lay back on the beach and just hang out and get a tan.
Right.
And
Half your body is in the water. This
Yes.
half gets sun.
This is the true beach entry.
This
It's the
is
only
the
one of
best
its kind,
feature.
and the water spills over the stairs and mixes in here, so you can walk
Come
down
on,
the ramp
Steve.
or the steps.
Well, here, I just love this pool. I don't know if this picture right here just
Yes.
is so.
Yeah, that's
Look
what
at
it
this
looks like.
picture.
Yes, that's what
How
it looks
cool
like
is that?
installed.
And I like this. Where's the glass? down
Yeah,
at the
so you can see the
end of it
glass
right
end there,
So,
guys.
Steve, the
Amazing.
San Juan people told me they do the glass too, because if you live on the beach, you
Yeah.
can put this in your backyard and still see the ocean. 'cause
That's
it's
right.
clear.
Here it is.
Right.
Look at that.
You can install this in ground or above ground or
Janice,
semi
how
like you
great
see
is
there.
this?
Where are the drinks? I just came for the
I know,
drinks.
I know.
That was
See-
last hour.
Yeah, that's right.
You know
It's-
what parents love about the gradual entry, though, too? Because if you have little children,
Yeah.
then they can play up here.
That's
and they're
right.
not
They can
actually,
stay right here
exactly.
in this area where it's kind of dry. They
Right,
can hang
but
out
still
and
play in the
and
water.
Then get in as they want. As you can see, it doesn't have a super deep end.
Sure.
So the best part about the print is they can make it any shape they want. So
Right.
it's really genius what they do right now.
Is it easier than getting your own custom pool to get one
It
prefabricated?
really is, because it takes a lot less time. So you can still get installations right now for the fall, where it might take you a year or two to get on a pool company's list right now. Is backed up.
Across the street neighbors, Ed and Linda, had one of these installed, and it was a one-day deal.
Amazing, right? Yeah, you can
Right.
get this. You can get these pools installed in one day, fill it, come home, and have a ready operating pool. And you can never do that with a concrete pool.
So we could take this one on a flatbed trailer out to one of our homes and have it installed by the
Are you hinting at something,
apartment.
Steve?
Or apartment.
I hear a hidden message in here.
I just don't know how this would go across the George Washington Bridge.
Yeah.
Then I guess I'll have to
they
take it and
brought
put it
on
in
that
my
big
apartment.
trailer. Look
Yeah,
at that big
absolutely.
trailer behind you. They actually brought it all the way from Florida. That's where they make
Did they?
these.
So they
Wow.
do it on
Yeah,
its
they're
side.
the world's largest fiberglass pool company. They send them all over the world. So it's amazing stuff they're doing. And they wanted to be the innovators and be the first one to 3D print the pool, but no one made a machine big enough. So they built their own machine, and now they have a company that basically does that, and that is alphaadditive.com. And so now with alphaadditive.com, they're making their own printers, large format. They can print anything. They can print the city bus. I mean, you can see behind us that big frame. That's actually the size of
yellow
the printer.
frame.
Yeah.
Wow.
Are we gonna
Unbelievable
fill
stuff.
this pool
And
up?
all the prices.
Well, we're not going to fill it. I wanted to leave no water in it, so you guys can see the whole bottom and how it works. The 8-person hot tub.
Okay.
Right.
So-
And
all the
the
prices
weekend
are on
show.
your-
The
all
weekend
the
show,
prices
they
are on
tend to
your
do that
site, right?
stuff.
All the stuff is on my site. Absolutely. Not only that, I wasn't going to get you guys in the pool if there was water in it. So.
Right, there you go.
Right.
Not today, anyway.
All right, so check it all out at skipbedell.com.